Hello everyone, Joan of Arc here. We are in Tupi, South Cotabato at Mariano's blooming agricultural park. So let's have a look at what we have here. I'm behind an aviary. So wow, let's just have a look at the colorful birds. Hello birdies! Wow, look at those birds. Hello birdie! Hello! Hello there. A bird is peace, but I'm not sure what kind of bird is this. For me, it's a parrot. I'm sure it's not a parrot, but in general, a bird is peace in Ilonggo. Hello, peace. Hello, birdies. Look at the birdie. Hello. Hello. Okay, let's have a look inside. Sulod kita. Very nice, interesting installations. Maybe I can make some of those. So this is the second prize winner, the sunflower team of the recycled garden. Wow. It's very wide. Awesome. Alright, so they have all these plastic bottles here collected. Man, wow, looks colorful. This one is so nice. We call it arco in Ilonggo. Arco. Yay, look at the colorful flowers. Yay! Picture. Hi! Pag video or picture. In Ilonggo, pictorial is called picture. But you know what? In the old days, we call picture or a photo session as Kodak. Well, from the brand Kodak. And we use it as a generic term for picture taking. Mapakodak. Mapakodaka. So Mapakodak. But we're not using it anymore. Kodak is not a well-known brand among the millennials. So it has ceased its usage. We're not using Pakodak anymore. So it's just a picture. There are lots of colorful flowers here. Very nice. And we're going to the sunflower fields. They look pretty. Look at that. Wow. Imagine if all these flowers are blooming at the same time. Picture. All right. And video. So, we're here at the sunflower fields. Today it's not so warm. It's cool because it's still early in the day, but the soil is dry. I think that's the usual temperature or climate here in South Cotabato, and they're always watering the plants. Well, I've been told that the sunflowers are called that because they look like the sun and they always face the sun, where the sun is now. So look how interesting it is. They're all facing one direction. They're all facing me. So when viewed from here, all the sunflowers are facing that direction. Their backs to their backs towards me. So in Ilonggo, it's called talikod. Likod meaning back. So the back is towards me. Naga talikod. But here they are nagaatubang. They're facing the sun. So facing that way or facing forward. That's atubang. Atubang is front. So that's um, let's find a better looking sunflower here. All right. So it's nice here, surrounded by beautiful sunflowers, facing here and facing there. This one's facing, all facing me. Hello, ladies. Hello. How are you? You look so pretty. They're so pretty, and they just give you so much joy, so much energy. I love them. I love it here. Or they're all smiling. So in Ilonggo, joy is kalipay. So isn't that cheerful? They're all malipayon, very joyous. It's wonderful. I'm here now at the baby plants, the seedlings. So mga gagmay nga tanom, gagmay, the little ones. Gagmay plural for gamay. So the many little ones, or yeah, little ones, plural. And I'm here where the sprinklers are. So they're putting sprinklers, constantly watering the little ones to keep them hydrated. So in Ilonggo, watering the plants is called pamunyag. It's the act of watering. So bunyag. A flower garden is called kabulakan from the word bulak, flower, and the the suffix an or han, but an if there's if it's it follows a vowel. No, yeah, no, it follows a consonant. Han if it follows a vowel, an if it's a consonant. So bulak, bulak, the consonant K, so it becomes kabulakan. The prefix ka and an to make it a flower place. So this is a flower place. I'm in the midst of the kabulakan. It's a pretty word, kabulakan. So of course, no picking of flowers and don't step on them, please. Yeah, just follow the pathways like here, and then we walk through here, and then there's a bigger pathway. And we go over there. There's more. There are more colors. This is a blue ternate. And I believe I'm now here in the nursery where all the seedlings are being grown. I have still so much to learn about farming for my little garden. So time for us to go. This is Joan of Art, and thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.